Welcome to 2024 burn-in test for the LG OLED TV. I'm using this TV as a PC monitor 10 hours a day, every single day, for 5 years already. Let's see, do we have any burning? All right, a monitor test. There you go, using the Sony camera. Let's hope the colors will be accurate. It's black, very reflective. Defective pixels, any defective pixels? On the white, I see one over there, but other than that, can we fix focus? Maybe we can. All right. Red, do we have any burnings? Not really. No burnings. Only that stuck pixel. It's not a dead pixel, it's black, so it's stuck. Another one, green. Oh, you can definitely see them on green. One is over there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's plenty of them. Many pixels stuck in black color. Blue. And now with the blue, you barely see any stuck pixels, but there's no burning. Uniformities, 25%, 50%, and 75%. I don't see any uniformity. It's so clean. Color distance, gradients, sharpness is extremely sharp for reading, but I would love to have a matte finish OLED than glossy. It's better for reading. Glossy, it's still okay, but matte is better. I've seen the matte on the Sony, latest Sony 95. It was awesome, amazing. All right. Viewing angles, gamma. Response time, very smooth. It's old OLED, but it's extremely smooth. 120 Hertz, amazing. And that's what I got, my friend. That's what I got. This TV is amazing. It was the best purchase for 2019. That was Black Friday 2019. See how old that is? It is amazing TV. Couple of stuck pixels, but that's okay. I think that's all I got for you. That's all I got. This TV is awesome, like I said many times. Let me show you some demo and see you next video. Bye.